everyone, it's Mia from Talent Cymru Series 1 and also VOTV. I'm just here to give you all a quick bit of advice and a bit of a message on obviously the new contestants in Series 2 of Talent Cymru. First of all, the talent in this category and every other category is insane. You're all doing exceptionally well, especially with the circumstances of COVID. You've all handled this so well. A bit of advice is just be yourself. Pick a song that suits you and not what suits everyone else. But always try and jump out of the box when you need to, because you're always going to need to, because there's always going to be challenges that you face that may scare you, may knock you down. Believe me, I've been through it. You can be knocked down, but you'll always build that back up. You just gotta get on top there, get on your A game, and good luck to you all. I'm excited to see how you all progress throughout the series, and yeah, good luck everyone. This time, this place, misuse, mistakes, too long, too late. Who was I to make you wait? Just one chance, just one breath, just in case there's just one left. 'Cause you know, I love you. I've loved you all along, and I miss you. Been far away for far too long. I keep dreaming you'll be with me, and you'll never go. Stop breathing if I don't see you anymore. On my knees, I'll ask, last chance for one last dance. 'Cause with you, I'd withstand all of hell to hold your hand. I'd give it all, I'd give for us, give anything, but I won't give up. 'Cause you know, I've loved you all along, and I miss you. Been far away for far too long. I keep dreaming you'll be with me, and you'll never go. Stop breathing if I don't see you anymore. So far away, so far away. But you know, I wanted you to stay. 'Cause I need to hear you say, I love you, and I have loved you all along, and I forgive you for being away for far too long. So keep breathing, 'cause I'm not leaving you anymore. Believe it, hold on to me, never let me go. Keep breathing, 'cause I'm not leaving you anymore. Believe it, hold on to me and never let me go. Keep breathing, hold on to me and never let me go. Keep breathing, hold on to me and never let me go.